Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Salam Pramuka. I'm Hani Nurul Jana from the Vocational High School Sri Karawang Scout Unit. The participant sequence number is 01. This is a special coverage of French President Emmanuel Macron's state visit to Indonesia, which concluded with a meaningful stop at Borobudur Temple.
On Tuesday, May 29, 2025, France President Emmanuel Macron and First Lady Brigitte Macron arrived at Borobudur Temple in Magelang, Central Java. This visit marked the final agenda of President Macron's state visit to Indonesia, aimed at strengthening bilateral relations between France and Indonesia. Accompanied by Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto, President Macron and the First Lady toured the UNESCO World Heritage Site with great enthusiasm. In his remarks, President Prabowo emphasized that cultural cooperation is an important bridge for strengthening friendship between nations. Cooperation in culture and education is a vital foundation for the future of both nations. President Macron highlighted the importance of preserving world heritage and expressed admiration for Indonesia's rich and diverse culture. He outlined two key pillars of cultural cooperation between France and Indonesia. First, cultural heritage. Indonesia has a wide variety of unique cultural expressions. France is committed to supporting collaborative cultural exhibitions that showcase Indonesia's heritage to the world. Second, cultural and creative industries. Macron emphasized empowering young people through training and partnership in film, creative MSMEs, fashion design, museums, and art schools, initiatives that build sustainable cultural cooperation. Borobudur is a spiritual masterpiece of architecture. This temple belongs not to only Indonesia, but also inspires the world, and our cooperation will grow stronger through these two pillars of culture. This visit also commemorated 75 years of Indonesia-France friendship and marked a new chapter in strategic cooperation in areas such as defense, trade, and culture. Before ascending the temple, both heads of state received an explanation of the spiritual meaning and history of Borobudur, built in the 8th century by the Shailendra dynasty. With awe and respect, President Macron and President Prabowo climbed the temple steps, observing the intricate reliefs depicting the spiritual journey toward enlightenment. Accompanied by Minister of Culture Fadli Zon, President Macron appeared deeply moved during a dialogue with Buddhist monks at the top of the temple. Macron praised Borobudur as a symbol of Indonesia's great civilization. He described the historical and artistic value of the temple as a global inspiration. This visit also reinforced the cultural partnership strategy between Indonesia and France, two nations with rich and complementary cultural legacies.
President Emmanuel Macron concluded his state visit to Indonesia with a meaningful moment at Borobudur Temple in Magelang, a symbol of peace, spirituality, and cross-cultural friendship. That's all the news I can share. I'm Hani. Thank you for watching. Happy greetings, see you next time, and salam Pramuka.